Today we are starting a new series called the Boiler TV Club Battle Series. In this series, two Purdue University organizations will face off in a battle to the death. I'm just kidding. We're playing games from the 1977 video game system Atari 2600. Today, we have with us me, your lovely returning panelist, Paige who's representing the Purdue Stand-Up Comedy Club. And with me I have...
my name is Mia Yu, and I'm representing Women in Animation.
Yeah. So here I have a little Wikipedia snippet about the Atari, because neither of us have played it, and probably most of our viewers have not either.
Also, Paige, Atari is the company, not the name of the game.
Oh.
The name of the game is Combat.
Oh, yeah. We're playing the game Combat. The system that we're using is the Atari 2600. Alright, Combat is a 1977 video game by Atari Incorporated for the Atari video game computer system, later renamed the Atari 2600. In this game, two players control either a tank, a biplane, or a jet, fire missiles at each other for 2 minutes and 16 seconds. That is a weird amount of time.
Specific.
Yeah. Points are scored by hitting the opponent, and the opponent with the most points when the time runs out wins. Variations on the gameplay introduce elements such as invisible vehicles, missiles that ricochet off rounds, and different playing fields. We will play 5 rounds, and the winner will move on in the tournament against other Purdue organizations. But before we start the tournament, we're going to get a little warmed up because we're not very good at using these.
No.
Very interesting. So we have a game set up over here. I believe I'm the tank on the left, and Mia will be the tank on the right.
Mm-hmm. Glad you figured that out by now.
Thank you. I am not good at my lefts and rights. All right. There's something on the TV.
That's been popping in and off.
Yeah.
Is that on there?
The smart device.
Yeah. Here, I can take that off there. We can, you can just hit the game controller, or I'm sorry, on the game to start the front, the right one there, the far right one, I think starts the game.
It says reset.
I think that's what it means. Oh, it disappeared.
Okay. Good. Cool.
Yeah, see if that works.
Yeah. Oh, here we go.
Here, yeah.
Ah! Oh, fuck.
Well, you stop pressing the buttons. Oh my gosh.
I'm sorry. I pressed the wrong button, sorry.
I think I should get a free shot at you just for that.
No. Oh, shit.
I forgot. You can only...
Oh.
Ha.
Like I goes bin. Shit. Oh man, I missed you by a pixel.
This is... What the... I don't... We're both so bad at this.
You're absolutely destroying it. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. That was like right... Oh my god! Bro!
Ha!
You're so much better at this than I am. Oh my god! You absolute bitch. Ow!
I love that you're the actual gamer here, too.
I am the actual gamer. Oh, I'm gonna get you. Oh, no.
Oh, have you not? You haven't gotten a single one.
No, I haven't. Oh, my mom is gonna watch this, and she's
gonna roast the shit out of you.
Oh, she is. Whoa. Oh my god, I literally walked right into that. Oh my god.
How are you so bad at this?
Shut up. How have I not managed to hate you once? How? Oh my god.
12-0.
I hate you.
And you're the one who actually plays video games.
I hate you. What? Okay. I did mention though that was our warm-up round.
Oh, please.
I did mention that. Okay. I'm gonna keep tally right here. So we
Mhm.
go Paige. Yeah, this is a nice pen. Okay.
Good observation.
All right. So.
So wait.
One with barriers, or do you still want to stick with the?
So was this the warm-up or was this the first round?
This is the warm-up.
Okay.
Do you want to
Alright.
do it with an open field, or do you want to do open field and then put some barriers in the next one, or?
Yeah, let's do like a
The last one you should do where you're invisible.
yeah.
Okay.
But yeah. So anyway,
Yeah.
let's see.
Alright.
Does Paige want a
Right, we
rematch?
start the one next to the right goes through the different modes of the game.
Okay. All right. Ready?
Mm-hmm. What the? Why is... Oh,
It
there's a
doesn't go-
range.
Yeah, it doesn't go all the way. I swear to God, yours like gets like 2 pitches near me. Oh, I hate you. Oh, I hate you. Oh, let's fucking go.
Took you long enough. Damn. How did none of...
I have no idea. Aw. Oh. I'm like so focused right now. I'm trying to run. I hate you.
Damn.
You bitch. Oh my god. I'm so bad at this game. Holy shit. Oh, fuck. Alright, that's one for Mia. There we go.
Woohoo!
Alright, so I guess since we were playing 5 rounds, it's 3 out of 5.
I suppose so.
You gotta win 2 more.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. How do I do?
The one next to the right one, right?
I think
Yeah.
so.
Okay.
Okay. 2.
Here
Ready?
we go. Yep. Okay.
Okay, this doesn't have ricochet. What? How did that not? Oh, got it. Okay, we're good. Okay.
Shit.
I'm good.
down to...
Okay, I'm out of your range now.
Yeah. This thing is so confusing to move.
Oh, I'm stuck on the wall. Firing at the wall.
Technically, all I have to do is just keep out of your range, technically, until the game is over and I win.
Fuck you. That's a pussy move.
That's a good strategy.
I keep forgetting that you can only move when you face forward. Bro! Dude, shit.
You're bad at this.
I am really bad at this.
And you play a first-person shooter.
This is a third-person shooter.
Okay.
Or is it like it's like overhead? Is it like second person?
Second? Do you know what first, second, and third person is?
I know what first and yeah, but like third, you're like following your character. This is just like an overhead battle map.
Second person is like you, so that'd be like the viewers, or like, I don't think second person applies in video games.
Oh, okay. Actually, I have seen one video game.
That was in second person?
It was kind of in second person.
Are you sure you know what second person is?
Yeah. Well, it was kind of weird. I can't remember what video game it was, but like it was like a car chase, and there was like two cars, and there's like the police car, and then there was like the robber's car. And you're controlling the robber's car, but from the policeman's perspective.
I don't think that's second person, though.
I don't know what it is.
That's not second person, Paige.
It's Povception.
No, that's not a thing. Just start the next thing, so I can destroy you again.
All right.
You want to go into like a ricochet or?
Yes.
Oh, okay. This is Ricochet.
Sure. I don't think you might have to try it and see if it ricochets. I don't know which one. I don't memorize which ones are which.
Okay. Okay. This is
Let's
not
go.
an actual round. This is
Right,
just
it's
testing.
Just testing.
Okay. No. Okay.
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 Now keep going. Keep going. There. That's probably ricochet.
Okay. Testing if it's Ricochet.
Yes.
There we go.
Oh wow, that ricochets a lot.
Okay.
All right, ready?
Yep.
Oh wait, I have to restart it. Okay, go.
Damn.
Holy shit!
Ha!
Oh my god. I can't move away fast enough. Okay, there we go. There we go. Brother. I thought it would ricochet once, not like 17 times. Damn. Oh my god, I almost hit you. Did you just get hit by your own projectile?
No, I think you hit me.
Oh shit. Oh man.
Ah!
God. I'm so sorry, stand-up comedy.
Damn.
Oh, got him.
You're still 5 points behind me.
Get gotted.
Damn. Shit. Fuck.
I did not expect that to go that way.
Ha.
Bruh. Ah.
How have I won 3 in a row? This is so sad.
Well, sad for who?
You.
I know. Alright.
Play the invisible one.
How about we go the 5 rounds and the last one, you have a chance to redeem yourself. If you win the last round, you win everything.
So all for nothing.
Yeah.
All for nothing. Okay.
It's a pity thing.
So one more round. But if I win everything.
No, we go to round 5. Or
Okay, so 2 more.
Here, how about this? If you win next round, that's worth like 2 or 3 points. How would that work? So then,
It'd have to be worth. You lost 3 in a row.
yeah. So
if it
3.
were 3, then you'd be tied and you'd play a tiebreaker.
Okay. So if you win, it's 3 points.
Okay, so next game mode, I guess.
Keep going until they're invisible, and then those will be.
Oh.
Okay.
There we go.
Alright. Alright, you ready?
Yep. Oh, okay. Huh?
Out, bro. Oh my god, this is actually so... This is so difficult. We're like too far apart. Oh! I actually hit you.
Shit.
I like have no idea where I am.
Shit. Oh, come on.
Going for the tie. Can she do it? Can she do it? One tie.
That invisible one is so hard. What did we learn? I'm so bad at this. Okay.
I'm better than I thought, and you are way worse than I
Oh, I'm
thought.
really bad.
Yeah.
Yes. So, the
Wanna play
winner...
like an airplane game, like the next. If you keep scrolling through the games, there's airplanes, there's biplanes, there's.
Yes. Yes, before we do that, though, I'd like to say the official winner of the tournament tonight is Mia and the Women in Animation Club. So, congratulations, Women in Animation. Yay. Okay, so there's an airplane one. be said. Okay, all these are just.
Oh,
Hello.
planes.
And then
Are
if
we with
you-
the planes?
If you advance again, you can do 2 planes at the same time. Keep going. There we
Oh,
go.
Oh,
are we?
So you get a
Are
bigger
we the
target.
planes?
I guess. Let's try this.
Oh. Oh. Okay. Oh. Whoa.
Whoa. Oh, I
What
got
the?
you. You're the green plane. What the fuck?
How do you move?
Wait.
Did I crash into you? And
I think so.
how do you?
Oh, it's kind of like the tanks, but you're always.
How do you
What?
move?
I'm just trying to figure out how to move.
Okay.
Oh, got him. Got him. Hold on. I like can't.
It's like a different mechanism.
I'm just going in circles right now. I cannot control my damn plane. I forget about the whole fact I can't just immediately turn the way that I want to go. I have to like go in a full circle. Oh, that was lucky.
A tie.
I don't like that one as much because that I was like trying to move it the way it was. I was moving the tank, but then it wasn't responding.
Yeah.
Oh.
What the?
Oh.
One of us gets a big ship. I think that would be mean.
That might be what that is.
You want to try this one?
Sure. Yeah, you get the big one.
I get one really big.
Haha.
Oh wow, this is.
No.
I think it's funny that. Does my plane move faster than you?
I don't know.
I kind of like the plane one. Did it just ricochet?
No, it goes through the screen.
Oh yeah. Trying to see how fast I can punch.
Damn.
Ditch it on.
Ha.
Fucking fuck! Oh my god! I'm gonna break the Atari by accident. I'm so sorry, Michael. I'm gonna break the Atari. Laughing at me behind. Oh my god! Don't hit me again. I know where you sleep.
So do I. No.
Oh.
21-6. How?
I'm gonna cry.
This is depressed. I'm getting sad for you.
Okay, let's do another game. Okay, we have like
That's a different kind of plane, I think.
a different kind of plane. You want to try this one?
Sure.
Okay, let me put my headphones back on. Okay, this is like a triangle plane. Oh, it's fast.
Oh.
These are fast planes.
Shit. It still moves funny. Fuck.
What? Oh, you barely missed me. Oh my god.
Haha. Oh, come on.
Maneuverability. Oh my god.
Could we not crash into each other like last time?
Apparently. These are like little spy. Oh.
These are definitely harder to.
Yeah, I don't like these planes as much. Let's go. Oh my god.
Smart things back.
Smart device. Ah. Oh, we
Damn.
tied.
If I move the remote, does it?
Okay,
Yeah.
it's okay.
Hacks.
Cool. Alright, let's see what else we got. Select. Okay. This-
Is that?
Okay, that's two. It's 1v3, 2v2.
And then we're
Tanks.
back at the first one.
Yeah. I wanna. I just wanna go through. I like the planes. Do you wanna try the planes again?
Sure.
Okay. I'm having fun.
If I beat you 21-6 again, though.
These are different. They're not the same planes. How did neither of those hit you? I was literally right next to you.
Oh, these don't go off screen. Damn. Ah.
Wow, the range on these is terrible.
Yeah.
Oh, this is so hard to control this one.
Haha.
Bitch.
How did I not hit you?
How did I not hit you? What?
I saw mine straight go through you.
Yeah, okay, I got you. That's fine. They kind of look like fishes. They look like fishes.
How did?
Got 'em.
How?
How did none of those hit me? Oh, let's go. Ah, that's it.
I still doubled your score.
There's time for one more if you want.
Back for one more. Do you want to get in here and play our resident champion?
I don't know. I'm good. I'm good. I hate to embarrass you. My skills. I would like your impressions of the game and the graphics and all
Fair
that
enough.
stuff too.
It's so hard to control.
The maneuverability is difficult, but you know, there's something I like about the simplistic graphics that makes it not too distracting. It's just nice little silly. It's fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, I could.
I like it. Would I buy it? No.
Well, no, of course not.
This kind of reminds me of like the dinosaur game when the internet goes out and then the dinosaur is there and then you can use the space bar to jump over the cacti.
Yeah.
It kind of has the same vibe as that. Like something nice to do, sort of like if the occasion so happened to arise. But yeah, I probably wouldn't go out of my way to buy this, but
Not my
I get
favorite
the
part.
nostalgia.
Not my favorite party game.
You're just saying that because you lost every single round,
Fuck off.
and the ones you didn't lose, we tied.
Oh my god.
You seriously didn't win a single one, did you?
No, I didn't.
You can't imagine the so I have two older brothers. You can't imagine the fights
Oh, I'm
in
sure.
1978
Oh boy.
over.
Yeah.
You swear you hit them.
Yeah. No, because there were times where I saw the woman go straight through you.
Yeah.
It was like, what the heck?
And yeah.
And then the times where the planes crossed and we didn't crash, and then other times we did. I don't know. But,
I'm
it's
sure.
fun.
I'm sure it was. What do you old people say? The bee's knees. When it came out.
The darndest thing.
The darndest thing. The greatest thing since sliced bread. I'm sure it was that.
Yeah, I get the nostalgia behind it.
Yeah.
I'm like, yeah, it's fun.
It really does. If any of you have ever played We Play, and you had like the tank game, kind of reminds me of the tank game. Except you're actually fighting each other instead of fighting stationary objects.
Yeah.
Those are always fun.
Before these were at-home game, these were a stand-up arcade game.
Oh.
Ah,
I've
that makes
actually-
sense.
Years before.
I've been to like an old-fashioned like arcade bar place. I'm really good at that one game where it was,
That
like,
one game.
it was like the big staircase and you have the little orange guy hopping up and down the stairs. I don't remember what it's called. I think it's
Hubert.
Hubert.
Oh,
I'm pretty
yeah.
darn good at Hubert.
But apparently terrible at this one.
Apparently I'm really bad at this one. But
I still don't get. You literally play video games all the time.
yeah, but
Well,
I play first-person
You play
shooters.
one game. You
I-
play one game.
I play one game because I don't have the money for others. But
That's what's fun about this. Anybody can kind of jump in.
Yeah.
Play.
yeah, anyone can play it.
Hmm.
Kind of like a Pong. That's a really old
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's on here too.
Mm-hmm, probably.
game. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's really simple, just up and down.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think it was confusing that the up and down was like for side to side at one point, or that like it wasn't like if I moved it in one way it wouldn't go. I had to do
There's,
one
In front
direction.
of the desk, there's a little wheel. There are two controllers near the top of the desk by the microphone thing.
Oh yeah,
To
yeah,
the
yeah.
left there. Yeah, those are the wheel. If you're really rich, you had those.
Whoa.
You can play like driving games and actually have a wheel to turn.
Oh wow.
I see.
But it only came with a basic joystick. So the
Ah.
driving game with the wheel thing was,
I see.
Kind of like Mario Kart. You had the
yeah.
yeah. That was always fun. Yeah, but this, I think this is the funniest thing.
Why?
It's literally an at-home arcade machine with a little joystick and a button.
I mean, this is what just people used to play games in the 70s.
Listen, my first gaming console. It wasn't mine. It was my family's. But the first gaming console we ever had was the original Wii, and that
Oh,
was
yeah.
the shit. It still is.
I have very vivid memories of playing Wii Fit. Apparently, apparently there are videos of my siblings inciting acts of violence because of Wii Fit. My sister punches me in the stomach in one because I beat her at skiing.
Oh.
Granted, I'm like 5 and she's like 3, so I don't think it did much, but yeah, apparently.
And then if you think about the technology in that game, 8 years before that technology, we put a man on the moon.
That's true.
Damn.
You know?
That is kind of crazy, honestly.
That is, yeah. That's something.
Yeah.
Imagine them putting a man on the moon with this technology is insane.
We could put, well, like what's in our smartphones right now is probably enough to like put a man on the moon like back
What's
then.
on our
like,
smartphones right now is more than like probably 10 of those.
Way more than 10.
Thousands.
Way more.
I know, it's crazy.
Yeah.
I don't have
We
my
literally
phone.
have a supercomputer in our phone. Like our phones are supercomputers.
Oh,
like, yeah. So, yeah.
And
This was fun, though.
And I use it to send you shitty TikToks that I find on Instagram.
Yeah, because all Instagram is reposts of either Twitter or TikTok. Okay.
Yeah.
Because I won. I mostly just liked beating Paige, but and rubbing it in her face.
I'm never gonna live this down.
You are never going to live it down. No, I live with you, and I'm going to remind you of this every day.
Yes. So, once again, I'm with the Stand-Up Comedy Club. I've probably mentioned it like a billion times on this podcast before, but I'm with the Stand-Up Comedy Club. We got stuff going on every Friday. Open mics, showcases, whatever. Follow us on Instagram at Purdue Suck. That is at Purdue SUCC. Follow us. We always got stuff going on.
Nice. I'm part of Women in Animation. I'm going to do a really shitty job of promoting compared to what you, but we do events on Wednesdays, actually. I think the Instagram is WIA Animation, I think. It's a lot of fun. I'm also in orchestra, and I play in a chamber ensemble, and we're having a concert actually in like a week. So that's on Thursday and Tuesday if you want to come to that. So, yeah. That's kind of it. Yeah. Thanks for having me.
Yeah.
Say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.